Connell, stop it! Stop it! It's just knocking them off.
We'll put them somewhere else then. Yeah. Is he now? Do you like this play area, Owen? What do you like about this play area? No, I want to watch you do it. Is there? Can you get it? That's great stuff you got there, Owen. Do you want to tell me about it? You're decorating? Wow. Some great decorations. Is there any special rocks there? Do you want to tell me if there's any special rocks? What are your favourite rocks?
There's a river rock.
Yeah?
River rock.
Okay. Oh, they're round, are they? That makes them river rocks, does it?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. That's pretty. Oh, did it? Oh, wow. Oh, you okay, Connell? Oh, that's good. Did you hurt your leg a bit? You okay? Okay. You going to play? Yeah? That's good. Oh, wow. You can draw on that rock with the stick, with the... You should write your name. There's a rock.
Yes, you can draw.
You should get some water and paint on there. Hello, Connell.
Mommy.
Yeah?
Stop.
What are you doing, Connell? Are you eating? What are you eating?
Yeah.
You're eating dirt, are you? He is. Careful you don't hurt the doggies. She's scratching her back on the trees. Yes, Owen? So, is it? You put it back then. Very nice. You okay, Connell? Oh, you hit your leg on that? Is it okay? On the rock. You gonna walk on the bridge? Oh, wow, you dance on the rock. Oh, that's a great move there, Owen. Did the ball go in the water?
Baba.
Yeah.
Baba.
Yeah.
Baba.
So you're going to walk over to your brother?
Baba.
You can see him on the screen, that's right.
Baba. You take the pot. Like that.
I already did.
Again, I want to see it.
There we go. There's your rocks.